Oh my God. Oh wow. I can't actually believe how good they look. Hey baby girls and boys, welcome back to another YouTube video. So today I'm going to be testing and reviewing the new Falscara lashes. So I've never tried these before. I've seen them trending a lot on Instagram. So they're supposed to give you that fake eyelash extension looking lash without obviously paying a lot of money. So I hope they're not too good because it's going to be putting myself and other beauticians out of a job, which will not be good. So I'm going to test them out today, see what they're like. So I've gone for the starter kit. So that includes like your glue and your bond and I think even tweezers, I believe. So that is literally everything you need to put them on. So I was just reading the instructions on the back to how to apply them, and it's literally like 3 steps. These are obviously extra special lashes because they go underneath your natural lashes. So your normal eyelash extensions that you buy from Boots and Superdrug, you would sit them on top of your lash. So you have that like little lash line. These ones are supposed to be super seamless. They go underneath your eyelashes so you don't see any of that the join with the normal lashes that you normally have on. So I'm really excited to try these. So it comes with a set of tweezers which have like this little curve, which is kind of cool. I think they'll be super easy to put the lashes on with. Then it comes with this thing, which I think is the glue. It says seal and bond, so I'm assuming this is what you use to stick the lashes to your lashes. And you've got your lashes. So actually they're not as thick as I thought, which is good for me because I don't like them looking too heavy. So I thought these were on a band and you had to like cut them yourself in there, but you don't. They're literally just all separate. So then yeah, you literally just pull them off from there. So you don't need to cut anything. So they're super easy to take off and put on your natural lashes. So let's get started with these lashes on my tiny little beady eyes and see what happens. So I'm literally gonna go in and I'm gonna start my left eye and I'm gonna use my mascara slash bond thing to paint it on, and then I'm gonna work fast because I know obviously lash glues and things like that, you have to work super fast for it to stick. So I'm assuming this is gonna be like the same thing. So let's go ahead and try it. So it says a little goes a long way. So I'm only gonna use a little bit, but I'm gonna make sure they're fully saturated. It's actually quite like a nice mascara as well. It's like quite nice to apply. Okay, so I'm just gonna go straight in, pick up my lashes, and apparently they're gonna stick to it super easy. So let's see if it's true. I'm gonna pull my eye up. Oh my God, hang on. Starting with my harder eye, which is actually quite hard to do on this eye. Oh wow. Oh my God. Wow, that's actually amazing. Okay, so I'm just gonna work fast just to try and get them on before the glue dries. So I'm gonna apply it as close to that other one as possible. Oh my God, these are so easy to do. What the actual hell? They like literally just, I didn't think they was gonna stick that easy. I mean, they do look a little bit messy, but I can go through after with like some tweezers and like separate them all so they look really nice. Okay, so that's my second one. I'm gonna go for my third one. Okay, they actually look really good. So I've got like a number 4 and 5, but I'm actually not going to use, because my eyes are small, I'm not going to use the number 4. I'm just going to straight in with number 5 and finish it off there. Oh my God, okay. So they're all stuck. That was probably way too easy. And I'm just going to now squeeze them all together to the lash line to make sure they're all secure. So I'm just going to go under, squeeze them all together. I can't actually feel them at all, like it feels super comfy, which is obviously good. Oh, that one on the inner is really hard to squeeze up. I can't get my tweezers in. Okay, so now I'm going to use my tweezers and I'm just going to fan them out and separate any that I need to separate. Oh, that looks better already. I think that's like the glue, like the mascara glue, that like attaches your natural lashes to them. they're a bit long for me, so I probably wouldn't wear them like this. I'd probably just wear them as corner lashes. I probably won't go and have a full set on. Probably, actually, that's a lie. If I was going out, I probably would actually wear these, but I don't know, for day, I think they're a bit too long. But for people who wear eyelash extensions, literally, this is actually a game changer. I can't actually believe how easy they go on. So the only one I'm not happy with is this inner corner, and I think it's because I don't have loads of lashes there anyway. My lashes aren't thick in that inner corner, so I feel like it's not attached as well as all the others. But I feel like you could get away with not having one on the inner corner and just have your natural lashes. But that's the only one that I feel like hasn't stuck as well as the others, but that might literally be because it's my first attempt at doing them. So once you're happy with how they're sat, you then use the last step, which is the seal, and it says to apply a little bit of this to the lashes, and it stops them from feeling sticky and tacky. So, and it also says it holds them all in place. So I'm going to open it up. I've not actually looked at this one yet. Amazing. So it's just like a clear mascara. So I'm going to apply this, just going to brush it on to the whole of the lashes, because I think some of the tips as well feel a bit sticky. Guys, I can't actually get over this. Like, they look amazing. And I don't even particularly like really long lashes, but I actually think I would wear these like all the time. Right, I feel like that's enough. And then obviously there's some slight bit of like wet residue on there. That's obviously going to dry. And that's it, my first eye's done. It literally took me probably about 3 minutes to apply them. So there's no seam above the top, so you don't have any of that that band that you get with lash extensions. So underneath, I don't even think you can really see the band underneath. You can see it a little bit, but I mean, I don't know, can you or can't you on camera? I don't even know. You can in the mirror a teeny bit, but it's only ever so slightly. It doesn't even feel heavy on your lid. So the only place I can feel them is when I open my eye. I can obviously feel them like on the tops of like my brows, like obviously hitting there. But you get that feeling whenever you have like lashes done. But I'm a bit mind blown actually, because I can't believe something so simple is so effective. Like why did I not think of doing this? Like, if you want it for like an occasion, as like a one-off, and you want to make your lashes look amazing without having to pay crazy money or without having to sit through the 2-hour process, I mean, it is actually amazing. So I'm going to do my other eye and I'm going to see if I can get that even better. Remember, this is my first attempt. Like, I have never stuck them on before. So I'm going to see what it looks like doing my other eye. So I'm just going to apply mascara all over the lashes. It's actually not called mascara, it's called the Bond. And I'm going to apply that all over. And I'm going to apply a little bit more than I did last time, just so they really stick exactly where I want them to stick. It does feel very gluey, like it feels like, doesn't actually feel that nice once you apply it a bit thicker. It starts like feeling rough when you start applying it. Okay, so first one is stuck. And remember guys, like, you don't actually have to wear like a full strip. You could literally wear like a couple on the outer edges, and then instead of keep going like longer, you can just take the shorter one and then finish it there, so you've just got the outer ones. You don't have to wear the full set. So remember, my eyes are a bit smaller, so I don't need to use them all. So I'm going to finish with my last one. Wow, that was even easier than the other eye. I think once you've got the tape, oh, guys, please just look at my lashes. What the hell? Like, I can't even believe how good they are. I think I applied that in probably less than 50 seconds. Like, they're so easy. Like, I feel like these will also be like really good for mature women, because I know a lot of my ladies will say like, I can't put them on, they're so hard, they're so fiddly, my eyesight's rubbish, I can't do it. But I don't think you can go wrong with these, because they're just so easy. They sit in position just so quickly and so easy, and it's just, oh my God, I love them. Right, I'm just gonna, before I finish, I'm just gonna give them a squeeze together to make sure they're all fully sat where I want and they're nice and snug to my natural lash. So I'm just gonna squeeze them, together like that, just so it really like sticks to your lashes. Oh my God, it really does stick. Yeah, I feel like this eye was way easier. I kind of had the technique a bit better by the time I did this eye. And then I'm gonna go in with my little tweezers like I did last time and just make sure if I need to fan any out, I can. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the seal on now to finish those lashes, and then it stops them from like sticking as well, because sometimes they feel like they're sticking to your bottom lashes. So this just stops all that. Oh my God, guys, they look amazing. I can't actually believe how good they look. And they do look quite symmetrical, to say like I've had to sit them differently. So obviously it's hard putting them on. I think I found it harder putting it on my left eye than I did my right eye, but I would still say they are pretty symmetrical. But for £25, I honestly think these look like I actually have had lashes put on. They look so good and so easy to use. So these are actually going to be my new go-to when I do my makeup, without a doubt. So I'm saying goodbye to my little cluster lashes that I used to use every time I go out. New, brilliant, best invention I've ever used. Honestly, yeah, I love them. I love them, guys. Let me know if you have tried these. Let me know how you get on if you try them. Let me know if they are as easy as what I thought to apply. I mean, I don't think you can go wrong with them, but I don't know, someone might have gone wrong with them. So I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and please go ahead and follow my Instagram as well. That'd be amazing. And I'll see you next Tuesday. Bye.